Understanding economic sociology, 10 key concepts. Economic sociology examines how social relationships, cultural norms, and institutions influence economic behavior. Unlike traditional economics, which often focuses on rational decision-making and market mechanics, economic sociology emphasizes the social context of economic activity. This perspective highlights how trust, power, culture, and networks shape economic outcomes, offering a richer understanding of how economies truly function. Economic actions are deeply tied to social networks and relationships, rather than existing independently. For instance, a business transaction between two parties often depends on trust, built through long-standing social interactions. This concept highlights that economic behavior cannot be fully understood without considering the broader social context. Social capital refers to the value derived from social connections, such as trust, mutual assistance, and shared norms. For example, an entrepreneur who is well connected in their community may find it easier to secure funding or customers. These social resources are often as critical as financial capital in achieving economic success. Institutions are the formal and informal rules, norms, and practices that govern economic activity and provide stability. Strong institutions, such as legal systems that enforce contracts, create an environment where businesses can thrive. Cultural practices, like community-based lending, also shape how economies function at a local level. Economic sociology examines how power dynamics and social hierarchies influence economic outcomes. For example, a powerful corporation may dictate terms in a supply chain, often disadvantaging smaller businesses or workers. Understanding these dynamics reveals why wealth and opportunities are often distributed unevenly within and between societies. Cultural norms and values shape how people approach economic decisions, from saving to spending and investing. In cultures where thrift is valued, individuals may prioritize saving for future needs, while others might focus on enjoying immediate rewards. These cultural influences are deeply ingrained and vary significantly across societies. Social networks connect individuals and organizations, influencing access to economic opportunities. Many people secure jobs through personal referrals, and businesses often rely on trusted partnerships to expand their operations. The strength and structure of these networks play a crucial role in determining economic success. Markets are not just mechanisms of supply and demand, but are shaped by social, political, and historical forces. For example, the rules governing the stock market reflect societal values about fairness and transparency. This concept emphasizes that markets evolve within specific social and cultural contexts. While traditional economics assumes people act rationally to maximize their benefits, economic sociology shows that emotions, habits, and social pressures often guide decisions. For example, someone might buy an expensive item to enhance their social status, even if it strains their finances. These behaviors demonstrate the complexity of economic decision-making. Work and labor markets are shaped by both societal changes and economic forces. The rise of gig work, such as freelancing or ride-sharing, reflects shifts in technology and attitudes toward job flexibility. Economic sociology explores how these trends impact workers, families, and broader social structures. Globalization has interconnected economies worldwide, transforming local industries and labor markets. For example, the outsourcing of manufacturing jobs to lower-cost countries has reshaped industries and created new social challenges. Economic sociology examines how these global shifts affect societies and cultures at both local and international levels. Economic sociology provides a lens to understand how social structures and relationships underpin economic behavior. By exploring concepts like embeddedness, social capital, and culture, it moves beyond the traditional economic focus on transactions to consider the broader societal context. This perspective is essential for addressing modern challenges, as it reveals that economies are deeply intertwined with the communities and cultures they serve. Understanding these connections allows for more effective solutions to the complex economic issues of our time. Stay tuned for more insights into business and the social sciences. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on future topics you'd like us to cover. I'm Dr. Dag, wishing you a fantastic day ahead.